Hello, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account. It is super simple. Follow along, it won't take you long at all. First thing you do is you go to gmail.com. If you're not logged into another account, you'll see this. Or if you've never created an account or don't have an account that you've logged into on your current computer, this is what you'll see. If you by chance have already logged into an account, you'll either be logged into that account or you will see this. If you're already logged into an account and you want to create a new one, simply click log out in the top right corner. Let me just show you that real quick just in case, because most people already have Gmail accounts. Okay, so if you go to gmail.com and it logs you in directly to your account, then you click on your picture right here and you click sign out. That will then take you to this screen. And then it'll take you to this screen and it'll show you any accounts you've logged in with on this computer or on this browser. You click add account to make a new one. All right, that's how you do it if you've already got an account that you've logged into recently. And if you haven't logged in, you'll see this. So click create an account, put in your name, what do you want your username? Whatever you want your username, it will tell you if it's available. If it's not available, you'll have to modify it. Type in a password. Password has to be 8 characters long, has to have letters and numbers, and a symbol. Apparently I didn't do it the same. Alright, it will ask for a phone number to verify that you're legitimate, that you're not a robot, and use your other email address for your recovery email. Put in your date of birth, your gender, click next. Alright, it's going to verify it by sending me a text. So you put in your verification number. That will be texted to your phone, and you click verify. Agree to their terms. And you are in. You've created a new Gmail account. So if you found this helpful and you'd like more how-to videos, I do technical how-to videos every single week at Teach Mom How YouTube channel. Just subscribe, hit the bell so you get notified, and have a great day.